Can we get to philosophy? Okay. Why do parents get mad?
When you use cinnamon?
Yeah.
Because they know they don't use it.
Wait, what's going on here?
But when they...
Oh. Alex!
I took your water.
Don't do that.
Burns like hell.
Like, my mom did not know that cinnamon existed, but if she finds out we used it...
She'd get pissed off. She won't stab us.
But shoes.
My parents, my dad's the same way. Like, if they see us using it, like, don't use that. Put it away. It's mine. But it's probably been sitting in that cabin for like 2 years, right? Nobody uses it. Basically what it is. All right, now.
Okay, your turn.
This is supposedly
This is part two. Part two.
Human body can't take a spoonful of cinnamon.
Let's try the older boy.
I think you need to get him a bigger glass. He's a bigger boy.
I don't care.
No.
He's a man.
Ready?
Do it.
Don't stick in my throat. Look like you're throwing up, right? You're throwing up, lad.
Fuck, take this out.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Now you know how I fucking feel, right? Now you know how I feel. Your turn, Pamela. Trust me, it
Where's
is.
the water?
Screw you. Screw you. Screw you. You didn't get me any more water when I asked you. Screw you. Damn. We must be like totally embarrassing ourselves in front of the neighborhood. Look at his face. Look at his face.
Oh.
We would totally be embarrassing ourselves in front of the whole neighborhood.
No, you're fine.
That's like part of, let's see you try it, huh?
No, don't
See
make
now?
Pam try it. She'll cry.
Oh.
Hold this. I gotta clean my shoes.
Conclusion.
That was my science fair project. No.
Give me some more.
I gotta go to the bathroom. This is too funny.